In this episode, we show you how to use KindProxy residential proxy traffic plans with username and password authentication. On the initial screen, we're asked to select a subaccount. Since we don't have one yet, we'll need to create it first. A subaccount helps us separate usage for different projects or users, making it easier to manage traffic, track usage, and keep things organized. Click the Add Subaccount button to open the Subaccount Management page. Here, you can create a new account. You can also set a traffic limit for this subaccount. By default, there is no limit. That's it. We've successfully created a subaccount. We can now use it as our proxy authentication credentials. Next, we go back to the proxy settings page, hit the refresh button, and the proxy list appears on the right side. We can adjust the filters, and the proxy list will update dynamically to test the connectivity and details of the exit IP. We can use a testing command. Simply copy the command below and run it in your terminal, CMD on Windows or terminal on Mac OS/Linux. After running the command, we can see the exit IP is in the US, matching our settings. We can also adjust the number of proxy entries shown on the right. Next, we can adjust other filters, such as session type, country, state, city, or ASN. After selecting a country, the state and ASN options become available, and once a state is selected, the city filter will also be enabled. Adding more targeting conditions may reduce the available IP pool. If the testing command returns no IP information, it means there are no matching resources under the current filters. In this case, we recommend using more relaxed conditions. That's it for the username and password authentication method. In the next part, we'll cover the IP whitelist authentication method and how to set it up. After that, we'll move on to integrating proxies into different tools and workflows. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next part.